Hey you guys, so we're going to be making our prayer board today. If not today, definitely in this particular vlog. We're gonna get ready to head out and go to Target to pick up a couple of things. I have majority of what I need already. I just need to get the cork board, but and some pens. I think that's it. Oh wait, and maybe some gel markers or pens, because my envelopes are black, so I can't write in regular pen. But anyway, don't worry about all that. Just know that we're gonna go to Target and then we're gonna get into the business. And I also break down like what a prayer board is in case you guys haven't seen it going around. Yeah, and we'll get into all of that, so stay tuned.
Lord, I'm separated. I'm living life for you. I lay my life down at your side.
Oh, they got gel pens.
Stop. Stop.
Mommy, super pen. I can see some.
I can't believe they still sell scented pens.
Daddy, no, I'm gonna put it. Daddy, put your hands off.
Look.
Okay, y'all. So we have to find a cork board for our prayer board.
Daddy, that was taking
I want something a decent size, but nothing crazy. What I gotta do to fit all my envelopes up here, y'all? Oh, this is cute. I said nothing crazy. I said nothing crazy, and this is huge. But watch me be the one to get this one. I don't know.
Daddy, how you get up here? How you get up here?
What's this? 23 by 35. I might get this one. Okay. And the line is crazy long, y'all. Crazy long. Hey y'all, so prayers completed. I'm about to put them into my envelopes. This is what I have it laid out like. So I'm gonna pin them down and then come back so you guys can see the finished product. Alright you guys, I am back. Here is my finished product. I have parenting, family, finances, goals, kids, health, business, spouse, marriage, friendship, my love letters to God, and answered prayers. So I hope this has inspired you to make one for yourself in 2024. If you have any specific questions, definitely be sure to drop them down below, and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Until next time, Happy New Year, you guys. Wishing you all the best.
For your youth.